Ubuholi be-ANC ne-Sacp bubambe izingxoxo e-Luthuli House eGoli njengoba kuqina ukubukana ngeziqu zamehlo kulamadlelandawonye mayelana nesinqumo se-Sacp sokungenela ngokuzimela ukhetho lohulumeni bezindawo oluzayo. Ngokuzimela i-Sacp ibhalisile yangenela ukhetho lokuchibiyela ePulukwane kepha yathola iphesenti levoti. Ngomandulo iphinde yangenela ukhetho lokuchibiyela eFitahoma eTubatsi eLimpopo yaphinda yathola iphesenti levoti. Amabomvu athi isinyathelo sawo sisuka ekungenamini ngokusebenza kwamadlelandawonye ngonxantathu ukukhathazeka ngenkohlakalo kanye nohulumeni wobambiswano i-GNU. Okhulumela i-ANC uMahlengi Bhengu uthi iqembu elibusayo alinaso isiqiniseko ngezizathu ze-SACP zokuncintisana nokhongolose.
The ANC remains adamant that we believe that this resolution of by the Congress of the South African Communist Party is not in the best interest of a coordinated fight against colonialism and strive towards a national democratic society and the pursuit of the national democratic revolution. We are not convinced at all as the African National Congress, but given our historic alliance and given the fact that the ANC has got a lot of members who are members of the Communist Party, so the issue of duality, and given a whole lot of other considerations, given the fact that our forebears were also leaders of the Communist Party. And so it is important that we exploit every available opportunity